Good morning and or afternoon. Welcome to the video recording that is going to go over how to add both English and French versions of images to your website when the text is within the banner and not part of the Shopify theme. So what do I mean by that? So you could come across a situation where if I go onto the demo, you'll notice we have a banner here and it says English. Now, if I go to the French version of the website, the banner still says English. Now, why this is important to take note of is the text English is situated on the banner, whereas the difference between this one is the text that you see here isn't on the image itself. The text is coming from the template. So here, to highlight this, for example, if I go into my Langify app for translating, go into my apps, and Langify, so if I wanted to translate this portion of the image, I would need to do this through Langify. So I'm going to search for your dream living room. It's just a few clicks away. I'm going to go into my theme. Now I'm going to go into section. I'm going to do a quick search. Your dream living room is just a few clicks. So I just found the text that you see right here. So I'm going to use the auto translate to do that. Now, if I refresh this, if I go to the French version, we should see the translated text. Here you go. La salle de séjour de vos rêves n'est plus à quelques clics. So here is the translation. And I would do the same thing to find this text here and then the button. Now, again, going back to the original banner, how do we translate this if the text is on the banner itself? Well, to do this, we need to go into our Shopify admin. And what we need to do is add the French version of this banner to your Shopify admin. Now, if I go to themes, and this is normally how we add banners to the website, such as slideshow. So I could see the slide right here. And here you go, is the banner. Now, if I were to just simply replace this with the French version of this banner, well, then the default website, which is in English, would then have the banner in French. So we need to have a way to have two different versions of the banner. So it's two different image files. So I'm going to exit this. So what we need to do is first go into our settings, scroll down to close to the bottom, and you'll see a tab here called Files. So now in the files, you'll see every single file, so every single image that's already on this website. So what we need to do is add the French version of this banner into the files. So I'm going to go to the Upload Files button here. From here, I'm going to find the file that I want. So you see here I have a French version of the same banner. So I'm going to open this up. There you see it says file uploaded. And now you can see the file right here. So what you need to do is now you need to copy the link of the banner, and you need to use this link in Langify to translate the banner. So we're going to copy first the English link. So I'm going to copy the link. Now if I go back into Langify, what I need to do is add this to my custom section. So you see custom down here. So because this banner only appears on the front page, I'm going to add this to the front page. But if this banner was to appear everywhere or a specific section, I could use the global. I'm going to go here again to front page. So what I need to do is add a new piece of content. So here, click the three dots. So I'll do that again. On the right-hand side right here, click the three dots, add new custom content. What I need to do is paste the link of the image. So here you go. Here's the link itself. Now I click save. So this is the English version of the link of the English version of the banner. So now to have the French version, what I need to do is go to the French one, click copy link. And now I need to copy it in here. Now for this to work, the last step you need to do is you need to remove this right here. So the HTTPS and the semicolon. So if I remove that, what you have is dash dash and then the link. So I'm going to click save. And then we'll go and I'll refresh the page. And here you go. So here you see now this says Français on the French website. And if I go to the English, the same banner says English. That concludes our presentation on how to add bilingual or translated images to your Shopify website using Langify. If you have any additional questions, please contact service@tailbase.com.